Welcome back to Learn Physics Math Edition. In this video, we will see the questions from exercise 4.2 in class 10 mathematics. Okay. So in the first question, we have 8 subdivisions. In each subdivision, an equation is given. So we have to reduce that into a polynomial equation form. Okay. So and then we have to check whether the degree is equal to 2 or not. If it is equal to 2, then we can conclude that the given equation is quadratic equation. If it is not equal to 2, then we can say it is not quadratic equation. So that's what we are going to do for the first 8 questions. Let's go to the first question. In the first question, we have x plus 1 whole square on the left hand side and 2 into x minus 3 on the right hand side. Okay. We can expand the left hand side using the a plus b whole square formula. You know that formula, right? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can expand the left hand side using this formula. Okay. So here in the place of a, 1 is x is here. In the place of b, 1 is here. Okay. So you just replace wherever you have a in this, just replace it with x, and wherever you have b, just replace that with 1. So you will get x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. So I just applied the formula of a plus b whole square on the left hand side. Okay. And then on the right hand side, you have to multiply the 2 inside the bracket. Okay. So 2 into x will be 2x and 2 into minus 3 will be minus 6. So you will get x square, 2 into x into 1 is 2x plus 1 square is 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. Now you can take these two terms to the left side. So we will get x square plus 2x plus 1. This plus 2x will become minus 2x and minus 6 will become plus 6 is equal to 0. So if I take these two terms to the left hand side, nothing will be left on the right side. So I put 0 here. Okay. Now we can cancel these two. So we will be left with x square plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now you can add these two. You will get x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Now this equation in the form of quadratic equation, because it contains only one variable, also its degree is 2. Okay. So the given equation is quadratic equation. Let's go to the question number 2. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Okay. So in this one, we don't have to do anything on the left side. We can just multiply the minus 2 with 3 and minus 2 with the minus x on the right hand side. So just keep the left hand side as it is. You will get x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 and minus 2 into minus x is plus 2x. Okay. Now you can take these two terms to the left hand side. So you will get x square minus 2x plus 6 and minus 2x is equal to 0. So at the end you will get an equation x square, you can keep that as it is, and we have two terms with x, so you can add them together. Okay. So minus 2x and minus 2x will become minus 4x, and this plus 6 will stay as it is equal to 0. Now you can check. The highest power is 2 and contain only one variable, so this is a quadratic equation. Okay. Let's go to question number 3. Here we have x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. In the both sides we have two terms which are in multiplication. So first we have to multiply x into x. So we will get x square and x into 1 will be 1x, or simply you can put x. And then we have to multiply the minus 2 with the x and 1. So minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. On this side, just do the same step. X into x is x square. Then the same x into 3 is plus 3x. And minus 1 into x is minus x. And minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Okay. So we have x square minus 2x plus x minus 2, and here we have x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Okay. So now we can bring the terms. Now we can simplify these two terms. Okay. You have two x terms on the left hand side. You can simplify them. You will get x square. X minus 2x is minus x, and this will be minus 2. This minus 2 stays as it is. and here also we have 2x terms. You can 3x minus x will be 2x, and this minus 3 will stay as it is. Okay, now you can take this term to the this side, so you will get x square minus x minus 2. These two terms are already there, so this will stay as it is, and these two terms we are taking this from right side to the left side, so their signs will change. X square will become minus x square, and plus 2x will become minus 2x, and minus 3 will become plus 3, and this entire equation will be equal to 0. Now you can cancel these two things, and you will be left with 2x terms, right? So you have minus x and minus 2x, so you can simply write them as minus 3x, and minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1 is equal to 0. So if you want to, you can multiply with minus 1 on both sides, or you can stop up to this. Okay, so I'm going to multiply with minus 1 on both sides, so I will get 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So I don't want the first term to be a negative, so I just multiplied with the minus 1. Okay, this is also correct. You can stop up to this also. Anyway, the power is 1, so it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, this is a linear equation. Let's go to the next question, question number 4. Left side we have x minus 3, 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. Okay, so just do the same thing what you have done in the previous question. So x into 2x will become 2x square, x into 1 become plus x, and minus 3 into 2x become minus 6x, and minus 3 into 1 become minus 3 is equal to x into x is x square, and x into 5 is 5x. Okay, so this is what we got after the multiplication, and next we have to rearrange this. You can bring these two terms to the this side, so you will get 2x square. Also we can simplify this. X minus 6x is minus 5x, and this will be minus 3, and then you can bring this term. So x square will become minus x square, and plus 5x will become minus 5x is equal to 0. Further you can simplify. We have two x square terms. Okay, you can add them together. You will get 2x square, and minus x square will become x square, and minus 5x and minus 5x will become minus 10x, and minus 3 stays as it is. Okay, this thing is equal to 0. Now you can notice the highest power is 2 here, so this is also an quadratic equation. Let's go to the question number 5. 2x minus 1, x minus 3. On the right side we have x plus 5 into x minus 1. So let's start with the left hand side. We have to multiply this 2x with x, so we will get 2x square, and 2x with the minus 3 we will get minus 6x, and these two will become minus x, and these two will become plus 3. Okay, so 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3 we have on the left hand side. On the right side you have to do the same thing. X into x is x square, again x into minus 1 is minus x, 5 into x is plus 5x, and this will be minus 5. We can simplify these two terms, so we will get 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to, on this case you have minus x and plus 5x. Okay, these two will become plus 4x, and this minus 5 stays as it is. Now you can take all these terms to the left hand side, so you will get 2x square minus 7x plus 3. These three are already in the left side, and we are going to bring this to the left side, so their signs will change. You will get x square minus 4x, and minus 5 will become plus 5, that is equal to 0. Now you can add the like terms together. You have 2x square and minus x square. Their sum will be x square. 2 minus 1 is 1, right? And minus 7x here and minus 4x. You can add them together. You will get minus 11x. And 3 plus 5 is 8 equal to 0. So this is what you will get. X square minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0. Here also the degree is 2. So the given equation is quadratic equation. Question number 6, we have x square plus 3x plus 1. On the right side, we have x minus 2 whole square. Left side, we don't have to do anything. So we have to expand the right hand side using a minus b whole square formula. Okay. So a minus b whole square formula is a square. I have done 2. It may be. You know the formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can compare this with the given term. So instead of a, we have we have x here, and instead of b, we have 2 here. So what we have to do is just replace wherever you have a in this, just replace that with x, and wherever you have b, just replace that with 2. So we will get x square minus 2 into a value is x, again b value is 2 plus b square, that is 2 square. On the right hand side, on the left hand side, these three terms stays as it is, no change in it, 3x plus 1. Now we can further simplify this. Just keep the left hand side as it is, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to, here the x square stays as it is, and 2 into x into 2, here we have 2 into x into 2, so they will become 4x, and the 2 square is 4. Now you can take these three terms to the left side. So you will get x square plus 3x plus 1, their signs will get changed. So minus x square and plus 4x, and minus 4 is equal to 0. You have two x square terms, and these two have different signs. You can cancel them each other, and we have 3x and 4x, so they will become 7x, and minus 4 and plus 1 become minus 3 is equal to 0. The highest power is 1, so this is a linear equation, not a quadratic. Okay, it's a linear equation, not quadratic equation. Just go to question number 7. Here it is 3a plus b whole cube, not a plus b whole square. Just change that. Now we can go to the question. On the right side we have, on the left side we have x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Okay, now we can expand this using a plus b whole cube formula. It is nothing but a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So we are going to expand the left hand side using this formula. Okay, so we will get x cube plus 3 into, instead of this a square we have to put x square, instead of this b we have to put 2 here. Okay, and then 3 into, we have a into b square, so we have to put x into 2 square, x into 2 square, plus at the end we have b cube, so we have to put 2 cube. The left side you can multiply this term directly inside the bracket. Okay, so we will get 2x cube minus 2x. Okay, clear? And then we can further simplify this, x cube, and this will become plus 6x square, and these two will become 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 12x plus 2 cube is 8 is equal to, here we can do anything here, both powers are different. Now you can take these two terms to this side, so you will get x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus 2x cube. So this will become minus 2x cube, and this will become plus 2x is equal to 0. Now you can add the like terms together. You have x cube and minus 2x cube, so both of them will become minus x cube, and then we have 6x square. Okay, we have 6x square, you can put that directly as it is, no need to change it, because only one term was there with x square. Okay, and then you can see 12x and 2x, so you can add them together, they will become 14x, and 8 that stays alone, you can put 8 is equal to 0. So we don't want a negative sign in front of the polynomial equation, so I am multiplying the entire equation with the minus, so I will get x cube minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8 is equal to 0. So even if you stop up to this step, your answer is correct. Okay, so I'm just changing the way it looks. Okay, here you can see the highest power is 3, so this is not a quadratic equation, this equation is cubic equation. Question number 8, same as that of the previous question, so just I'm writing this x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, here we have x minus 2 whole cube. We can expand this using a minus b whole cube, that is nothing but a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus bq. So we are going to use this formula to expand the right hand side. No need, you don't have to do anything on the left hand side, you can keep that as it is. You will get x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, instead of a you have to put x and instead of b you have to put 2 here. Okay, you will get x cube minus 3 into x square, the b value is 2, and plus 3 into a value is x, and b square value will become 2 square, and minus b cube become 2 cube. So you can just compare these two and just replace the values of a with x and values of b with 2. Okay, now you can simplify the terms on the right hand side and keep the terms on the left hand side as it is. No need to do anything on that. Okay, so just simplify this. Here we have x cube, keep that as it is, and 3 into x square will become 3x square into 2 will be 6x square, so we'll get 6x square, and we have 3x into 2 square is 4, so you will get 12x, and minus 2 cube is minus 8. Okay, now you can take all these things to the this side, so we will get x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. So these 4 stays as it is, no correction in it and no change in it. If these terms are taken to this side, their signs will get changed, so it will become minus x cube plus 6x square minus 12x and plus 8 is equal to 0. Now you can cancel these two terms, so you will get minus 4x square and plus 6x square. You can add them together, you will get 2x square, and minus x and minus 12x become minus 13x, and 1 plus 8 become 9 is equal to 0. Here the highest power is 2, so this is a quadratic equation. Let's go to the question number 2. Here it contains 4 subdivisions. In each subdivision a case is given, a word problem is given, so we have to frame quadratic equation based on the given word problem. Okay, so just look at the first question. We have the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. So here the area is given, every line whatever you see just write so that you will get an idea. Area of rectangular plot. Okay, and the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So the length of the plot, you can see, imagine this is a rectangle and the length of this plot is L and its breadth is B. We can take this like this, and what is given in the question? The length of the plot, that is L, which is 1 more than twice its breadth, 1 more than twice its breadth, which means we have to multiply the breadth twice and add 1 with it. Whenever you see the 1 more or 2 less, you just have to do, when you see more you have to put addition symbol. Okay, you have to add the given value. Okay, if you see 1 less you have to put minus 1 with the value which is given next to it. Okay, so in this case twice its breadth is given, so I just added 2b plus for this 1 more I have added plus 1 here. Okay, this entire thing is equal to the length. Okay, so L is equal to 2b plus 1. This is what given in the question. Okay, so instead of this L we are going to use this 2b plus 1 here. Okay, now so what we got here, L is equal to 2b plus 1, and you know the formula for area is L into b. Okay, so we have two equations. The first equation is L into b is equal to 528. This is given in the question itself, that is equation number 1, and this is also given in the question. We can take that as 2. So what I am going to do is I am going to replace the value of L in the first equation with this 2b plus 1, because the value of L is 2b plus 1. So I am going to use this here. Okay, using 2 in 1. So I will get, instead of this L, I can write 2b plus 1, and this b stays as it is, equal to 528. Now you can multiply this b with the 2b, so you will get 2b square, and this will be plus b equal to 528, and you can take this inside, you will get 2b square plus b minus 528 equal to 0. This is a required quadratic equation. And one more thing, don't forget to mention what is L and what is B. This L and B, these two letters are not given in the question. We have taken L for length and B as the breadth. Okay, so we have to mention in the beginning of the question itself. Okay, so here you can write, let us take L as length and B as breadth of given rectangle. Okay, or given rectangular plot or whatever. So the whatever the terms that you are using on your own, you have to mention what they are, you have to describe what they are. Okay, otherwise there is a chance your marks will get reduced. Okay, so please be careful on this. Question number 2, here the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Here we have to take two numbers, and those two numbers are consecutive integers. Okay, so we can take the first number as x. Okay, let us take the first number or the first integer as x. Okay, so here we have taken the first integer as x. So what will be the next one? The next one will be, the second integer will be like, so every integer is added by 1, so the second integer is equal to x plus 1. If the first number is x, second number will be x plus 1. If you can't understand this, I can tell you an example. If you take 3 and 4, first number you can write the 3, in second number you can write that as 3 plus 1. Okay, first number if you take 11 and 12, the first number will be 11 and second number will be 11 plus 1. In the same way, first number is taken as x and second number is taken as x plus 1. Okay, so as per the question, what is given, if you multiply these two integers, these two numbers, you will get their product as 306. Okay, we can multiply them. The first number is x and second number is x plus 1, their multiplication is equal to 306. So this is given in the question. Okay, now you can multiply the x inside the bracket, so you will get x into x is x square and x into plus 1 is x equal to 306. Now you can take 306 to the left side, you will get x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. This is a required quadratic equation. Okay, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Here we have two people, the first one is Rohan and second one is his mother. Okay, so Rohan's age we can assume that is x. Okay, and mother's age is 26 years older than him. Okay, so if you add 26 with the Rohan's age, you will get his mother's age. So mother's age is Rohan's age plus 26, because she is 26 years older than him. So as we assume his age is x, you can use that x here and 26 will be here. So this is her mother's age now. Okay, this is the present age of Rohan and his mother. Now you can check the second line in the question. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. Okay, now we have to find the age of Rohan and his mother after 3 years. So what it will be after 3 years? Here the present age of Rohan is x. After 3 years his age will be x plus 3. Okay, after 3 years. After 3 years his age will be x plus 3. Rohan's age is equal to x plus 3. Okay, now the present age of Rohan's mother is x plus 26. So after 3 years her age will become x plus 26. Again after 3 years you have to add 3 with this, so you will get x plus 29. Okay, clear? Initially we have taken Rohan's age as x and her mother age as x plus 26. So after 3 years 3 will be added to their ages. So I just added x plus 3 for the Rohan's age. Already we have x plus 26 in Rohan's mother age, so it will become x plus 29. Okay, now these two indicates the age of Rohan and his mother after 3 years. As per the question, if you multiply these two values, okay, their age after 3 years, their product will be 360. So we can write like this: x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. This is what given in the question. Okay, now you can simplify this into a quadratic equation. We will get x into x is x square and x into 29 is 29x, plus this will be 3x, and 3 into 29 is, I think it is 87. Okay, 87 is equal to 360. Now you can take this term to the left hand side. You can keep the x square as it is. 29x plus 3x will be 32x, and plus 87 stays as it is, and 360 will come here. Okay, now you can simplify these two: x square plus 32x minus 273, I think so. Oh, that's right, equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. If you solve this equation, you will get the Rohan's present age. That's the x value. Okay, so no need to do that because we only have to frame the equation, not the solution. Okay, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. Okay, yeah, imagine you have a track like this and its length is 480 km, and a train, assume this as your train, and it travels with a uniform speed. Here the speed value is not given, so I am assuming that speed as x. Okay, and it take some amount of time to travel this distance, to cover this distance, so I'm taking as t. Okay, this is the initial case. In the second case is also given, if the speed of the train is reduced by 8 kilometer. Okay, here the speed is reduced by 8 kilometer. So what will happen if you are moving to some place, your speed is reduced, so you just take more time, okay, for the journey. So in the second case, the train covers the same distance, but the speed is reduced by 8 kilometer. So the new speed will be x minus 8. Okay, here the speed is reduced by 8 kilometer. So because of this reduction in speed, it will take more time to cover the same distance. Okay, so that time is 3 hours. So initially it has taken t units. Now it will take t plus 3 units. So we have three different data: speed, distance and time. Here also we have three data: speed, distance and time. So we can relate this using the formula: distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, so I'm writing the same formula again for the right hand side also. Distance is equal to speed into time. Just substitute the values, you will get distance value is 480 and speed value is x and time value is t. In the for the second case, distance value is same 480 and the speed value is x minus 8 because the speed is reduced, and the time value is t plus 3 because it takes more time than the 3 hours more than the previous case. Because we can relate these two equations by substituting one equation in the another. So to do that, I am going to find the value of t in this part. Okay, so I am taking the x to the left side. Here the x is in multiplication. If it goes to this side, it will become in division. So 480 by x is equal to t. So I am numbering this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now I am going to use the equation 1 in equation 2. So instead of this t, I am going to replace it with 480 by x because the value of t is 480 by x, right? So I am going to replace it. So 480 is equal to x minus 8 into, so instead of this t, we can put 480 by x here. Okay, so we will get 480 by x and this plus 3 will become here. Okay, now we have to rearrange this equation. So I'm rewriting here. I think this space won't be enough. So I'm writing it here. So I'm writing here 480. Now here the x minus 18 multiplication, I am taking this to the left side, so it will become division. You will get x minus 8 here, and on this side you will have 480 by x plus 3. Now you can take this term to the left hand side, so you will get 480 by x minus 8. Here we have plus 480 by x, so if it goes to this side, this will become minus 480 by x. Minus 480 by x is equal to the 3 stays as it is. You can see 480 is common in both these terms, so we can take that out. 480 is taken out, so in the first term you will be left with 1 x minus 8, and here you will be left with only x is equal to 3. Now you can take this 480 to the right hand side, so you will get 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3 divided by 480. So you can cancel these two terms. You will get 1 by x minus 8 is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1 by this will result in 160. Okay, you can, I just cancelled the 3 with the 480, and I will get 1 times 3. Here I have 160 times 3, so I just write it here. Now you can do the cross multiplication and simplify this. You will get the result as here I don't have space, so I'm going to erase this part in the side. Okay, let me continue here. 1 by x minus 8. I'm just rewriting the same equation again. I'm not done anything with it. Okay, I have not done anything with this. Now you can cross multiply this. 1 into x will be x. Okay, and minus 1 into x minus 8 will be minus x minus 8, and here you will get x minus 8 into x is equal to 1 by 160. So I have done just cross multiplication here. Now you can take the negative side inside. You will get x in minus x plus 8 divided by x into, this will be x square. X into minus 8 is minus 8x is equal to 1 by 160. These two will get cancelled, and we will be left with 8 divided by x square minus 8x is equal to 1 by 160. Now you can rearrange this. You can take this term to here and these two to the this side. So you will get 8 into 160 as 1280 is equal to, and this will come here, x square minus 8x. Now you can take this to the right hand side. So 0 will be here, x square minus 8x plus 1280 will become minus 1280. So this is the required quadratic equation.